Good girl.
Rat.
Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Pumi, and since this is my first YouTube video, I'd like to send a shout out to Chiyu. Thank you, girl, for the inspiration, guys. Please check out her channel. You'll find her at Google Mazibuko or Google M. Okay, her videos are very insightful, and trust me, you won't regret watching what she has to say. Okay? Now I know that most of you are watching, or all of you are watching, to see how I got my daughter how to start reading or to start reading. Okay, it's relatively easy, but before we get to the how I did it, I just wanted to share like a backstory of how I came about to actually continue to be so involved in her education. Okay, so trace back March, lockdown happened. It was a week before she went on holiday, and then all of a sudden, guys, we were on level 5, then level 4 for months on end, then level 3. My husband and I didn't trust that the school was actually, will be capable to ensure the safety of our child, so we kept her under lockdown for quite some time. Like, I think it was relatively 6 months. No, I think it was 6 months. So aside from the lockdown, the thing that pushed me to actually continue, or to continue in me helping or doing a part of homeschooling, is an article that I read. So I typed in on Google, guys, reading South Africa, and then boom, this article, guys, says education crisis. Can you just imagine as a parent, and then you're looking for reading stuff, and then the article shows up and says education crisis? So I clicked on it. It's natural as nature. This article was like at the top, like Google, if it ranks things by most viewed or something, this article was at the top. So this article was released in 2017, was written in 2017 by some guy, I think it was Jen Anderson or something like that. So it was a PIRLS report, okay? So PIRLS stands for Progressive International Reading Literacy Study, okay? So this was the report that they came about. They do the study every 5 years. So this is the study they did in 2016. The next one that will be out will be in 2021. Hopefully it will be out, but we're not sure, since the whole world was attacked by coronavirus. So the findings of that study were shocking. They were really shocking. One thing, South Africa came last. 50 countries were tested. Next, South Africa came last, and they found that 8 guys out of 10 kids cannot read in South Africa. Can you just imagine? That number is so high. And they also found that 78% of grade 4 learners could not read for meaning. That's really shocking. At the age of 10, 11, when you cannot comprehend what you read, guys, it's something else, okay? So they also did a comparison between the study that happened in 2011 to the one they did in 2016, and they found that there was a decline in the percentage of kids who actually did well in the assessment. So that article was shocking on its own, guys. If you just Google education crisis, I bet in South Africa you will get that article, okay? So now back to the back to the points of the video, guys. How I got my daughter to start reading. It's really relatively easy if you're to think about it. I mean, reading is just alphabets, right? So we all know that kids learn the ABC song in school, and great, but they only start learning phonics as they progress, maybe around grade R or so. So as a parent at home, when you do want to teach your child to start reading, you have to start teaching them phonics. Phonics is letter sounds. So we all know the alphabet A to Z, but those are letter names, okay? So it's not necessarily how they sound like in a word or in text, okay? So to teach your child, you need to read, you need to teach them phonics. So instead of saying A, you have to say the sound of the letter. So eh. Instead of saying B, you're gonna say B. Okay? So kids learn easy, or they learn best when they sing things out. So my daughter and I, we came up with a little song that she likes, and I still do help her out here and there, but now she can say the sound of every letter, okay? And you will see how she does it on this video here.
B is for baby. Is for cat.
D
Is for daddy.
A
A is for A. Is for bed. G is for gate. Is for hair. E is for ink. J is for jug. K is for key. N. Fan. Van. Ran. Can. Man. Ban. Pen.
Yes. Now that we know the N sound, let's try something you have not done yet. Come. To your alphabet.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I.
What sound does I make?
E.
E. Don't forget the E. Okay? What sound?
E. Eat.
It.
Eat. Let.
Listen to yourself.
Okay. Eat. Let.
Let's try again.
Eat. Let.
Lit.
Eat. Kit. Eat. Pit. Eat. Hip.
Listen to yourself.
Okay. Eat. Hit.
Guys, now that you've seen Snowy do her phonics, and also you've also seen her read.
And also doing my car.
And also doing her car. Okay, she's trying to fix it. You can try this method at home and see how it goes for you. Please do let me know how you find the method in the comment section. Subscribe to my channel, guys. Please also like, share, and give me positive criticism. Tell me, suggest ways that I can actually get better at this. And also, I think that's about it. But I'll be doing more videos, guys. Please watch out for my videos that will be coming out. Yes, this is my first one, but it's the first of many. And I guess till next time, eh? Bye!